Alright, this is my traxxas Stampede that I got. This is what I got for the body covers, because from flipping it over a bunch of times, it cracked. So I got these at Home Depot, a couple cents, not too bad. Got a big pack of them. And then I got the clips as well. Home Depot didn't have the right size though, so they are very loose. I didn't have any luck getting the bigger ones that I need. So yeah, forget about that. I didn't put them in the front because they didn't break in the front, so I'm gonna try to have it go up this ramp a couple times. Remember in my video before this, my speed controller came loose after flipping over a couple times, so I put a real big screw in there. As you can see, it comes through the bottom all the way. See it? Right, oops, sorry, right there. See it? So it comes all the way through the bottom, and it seems to hold it a lot better. Worst comes to worst, I'm going to put a nut on there, and with a lock washer or some Loctite. Loctite I've used, and that stuff is crazy. If you get the red stuff, it never comes off. So I usually use the blue Loctite instead. I recommend, not the red one. The red one's more permanent. They have one that's a little bit easier. This way, if you got to get it off, you can get it off. You know, it's not totally stuck. So I do recommend not using the red Loctite if you plan to take it apart again. All right, let's hit the ramp just a couple times and. For some reason on my car, the tires, everyone told me that there's water in my tires, and I saw it, and there is water in my tires, so I'm gonna need to puncture holes in there to get the water out of them. But yeah, they wiggle like crazy when it moves, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that in the video while it's passing by, but yeah, the tires wiggle like crazy. And also my tire ripped open the other day, and I got burned on my arm. Look at this. Look at that. I had my car going full speed and it hit me, the tire, and it friggin' burned my arm up. So that hurt really bad. Yeah, that all happened. So after that happened, it ripped a hole in my tire. So now I might have to get a new tire. I'm not sure. Or maybe I could just glue it, it looks like. I'm not sure, but... Alright, so that sucked. Anyway, as you can see the size of my ramp. Oh look, The washers kind of held. Before they didn't hold, they ripped right through. But as you can see, my ramp is a little bit small for my truck, so it's a little hard for me to hit it. And I kind of suck. And with my wobbly tires, it's even more difficult to hit the ramp. So that was just showing you my little ramp that I made. I made this for my Teton, and I got to make a bigger one for the Stampede. This way it's easier to jump off of it. But yeah, here's where my tire came out apart right here. I could just re-glue it, but the insert, everything came out. So that was from when I hit my hand that I showed you before, and that hurt like crazy. So, okay, that's it. It's my... Oh wait, I didn't get to show you my... Here, let me see if I can get this off and show... Let's see my ECU. And my ECU seems to be good too. And I've been jumping it for the last probably 15-20 minutes. Motor's hot, but my ECU still, I mean my ESU is still good. ESU, my speed controller. I'm saying the wrong thing, I mean speed controller. Okay, yep, seems to be good.